Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to set a profile for FTMO account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in trader.ftmo.com. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you've recently created the account for yourself, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see over here there are no active accounts. You'll be able to find two options over here: new FTMO challenge, start free trial. If you select any of these options, you'll be able to set up the account that you'll be able to use. So what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. If you click on the option new FTMO challenge, you'll have to show the trading skills, pass the evaluation course and receive the FTMO account. But if you click on the option start free trial, you'll be able to practice your trading without risking anything, and you'll be ready for the real challenge when it comes. So you can simply click on any of these options in order to set up your account. The process is quite similar. The only difference is that in the FTMO challenge, you'll have to risk your real money, but in the free trial, you'll not have to risk anything. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll have to select the account balance. Over here, you'll also have to select the currency. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the currency of your choice. Also select the account balance. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now scroll down. Also select the account type. You'll be able to find two options: FTMO, FTMO swing. So simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, make sure to select the platform as well. Now over here, you'll be able to see the summary of your account. You'll be able to find the information regarding trading account, currency, account type and platform. Also, you'll be able to see the total over here. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, start free trial. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see the credentials. You'll be able to see the options for platform, login, master password, read-only password, and server. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to find the steps for starting the trading. You'll simply have to log into the platform, verify the connection and place your first order. So like this, you'll be able to set up your account. So that is how you set a profile for FTMO account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.